Hey everyone, Josh with TopperEZLift. I'm going to real quickly show you how to install the Nomad Camper Package. This is one of our show vehicles, so it does have the TopperLift, but the Nomad attaches to a pickup with a topper and does not need to be raised. So your first thing you'll do is take your hardware pack, which has the adhesive Velcro, and you'll attach the Velcro along the bottom portion towards the back of the tail, or the back of the pickup here. And once that's attached, I do recommend using the self-tapping screws in the corners. It'll make sure that it stays on there nice for a long time. And there's also an instruction manual included in there as well. So we're going to remove our tent rod, and I'll take out the Nomad Camper Package here, and I'll just roll it out real quick. And you'll see that there's Velcro on one side of it. So you're going to take those two corners, and you're going to stretch out and try and evenly place it along the back of your pickup box. Once that's stretched out, take that's the top portion of it. We'll take the sides and run them up along the side, matching with the Velcro. We'll do that on the other side as well. Then next, we've got the elastic straps there. We'll hold those down in the corners, and that holds the bottom portion in place. I'm going to open the door here, let that hang down. This is the top portion of the Nomad. And there's a zipper on it, so we're going to want to attach the top half to the bottom half. Let's find my zipper here. Oh, it's on the bottom portion. Once I've got that zipped up, I'm going to jump inside of the truck here. You'll see there's these double-sided Velcro straps, and this is what will hold the top portion of the Nomad into the top of your topper when you're not using it. So I'm going to take those two and put them on my thumbs and line up roughly where I think center is going to be. Don't need to be too picky about it because we're going to go back and adjust it after we put the tent poles. Right, now that I've got that in place, I'm going to take my tent pole out here, put that together, and then there are two pockets. There's one up in this corner here on the inside, and one on the corner on the inside of there as well. And we're going to insert the tent pole into those pockets. Best way to do this is start by making a horseshoe and get both ends in, and then go crawl inside and put them in the loops. Alright, now we got those tent pole in the pockets there. We're going to push the tent rod up into the top portion here, and there are some Velcro loops on the inside. We're just going to wrap those around the tent rod, and I'll hold it nicely in place and keep the top portion nice and tight as well. Now that we got those all in there, we're basically done. If you don't like the way it's sitting, we'll go back in there and we'll adjust it and maybe pull it a little bit tighter. I'll loosen up just the center portion here. I'm going to pull it back just a little bit tighter. And once you get it where you like it, you won't have to readjust it anymore after that, because then it'll just roll up and store into place. And that's about it. Over here, got ourselves a nice little place to stay when we're on the go. If you got the short box, this allows you to have a little bit more room, because most people wouldn't fit too well in a 5.5 foot box. Keeps you out of the elements. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope it helped you, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.